PALMARY Machine Company Limited, established in 1998, is a grinder manufacturer that upholds quality and technological R&D. It specializes in the manufacture of centerless grinders. The company staff, under the leadership of President Zheng and General Manager Lin, received CE certification and ISO 9001 certification in 1998. We signed ODM and collaborated with Maximum USA in 1999, with Helmut Germany in 2001, and Sanyo Japan in 2002. We are the only manufacturer of NC-CNC centerless grinder sector in Japan. Our machines have been largely adopted by large companies such as Canon. In order to learn the experiences of the manufacturers in the same line of work in Japan, we have hired Japanese consultants, introduced machinery management from Japan, and implemented technical exchanges. In 2003, we established factories in mainland China and Thailand, which are pioneers in our endeavor to join Association of Southeast Asian Nations, ASEAN, and provide services in Southeast Asian countries. In order to expand in marketing and sales and increase productivity, we transferred to our new site in Dali Industrial Zone in 2007. Dedicated efforts in R&D, stringent production control, stable quality. In order to ensure machine stability, all machines manufactured by PALMARY Machine Company Limited focus on the practicability of R&D, stability, and precision. Auto checks are implemented throughout the process, while QC department conducts inspections and tests using high-precision instruments that guarantee product quality upon release. Each machine produced undergoes processing tests including spindle motor full load cutting, high-speed grinding, etc., to ensure it meets international inspection standards. Comprehensive product machine specifications. Strength of PALMARY Machine Company Limited. PALMARY Machine Company Limited offers a range of machine series, including NC and CNC centerless grinder, NC and CNC cylindrical grinder, NC and CNC internal grinder, CNC vertical composite internal and external grinder, NC and CNC surface grinder. We also provide car, motorbike, household sewing machines, OA multi-purpose printers, large and small motor axis, household appliances, machine components, and mold accessories for customers. New techniques and products will be released one after another in the future to meet our customers' expectations. PALMARY Machine Company Limited exports grinders to over 40 countries around the world. We take every opportunity to contact customers by attending large international exhibitions. We also provide our customers with more rapid and convenient services. PALMARY Machine Company Limited shall endeavor for activeness and innovation in the future, speedy services, and quality-first ideals. It will be based in Taiwan and reach out to the world so that grinders made in Taiwan will lead in the international market. Internal grinder, NC 1-axis, CNC 2-axis, 3-axis, vertical composite grinder. Excellent design, user-friendly operation. A static automatic lubrication system is adopted on the sliding surface to allow smooth flow. The high-precision ball bearing facilitates spindle head transmission. It ensures high precision, high rigidity, and quietness during motion. It is suitable for workpiece grinding with steep inclinations. The feed axis is facilitated by high-precision ball screws, driven by a servo motor, which allows continuous feeding. The state-of-the-art digital servo controller is adopted as the CNC controller. It is easy to operate with versatile program editing that greatly enhances work efficiency. The PLC interface system and module design method are easy to understand and operate. grinding size, rough grinding, dressing, finish grinding to spark out can all be set. Specifications can be corrected through a single key. The dressing number setting and retract function after dressing can be set. Internal hole processes such as straight hole, end face, internal end face, inside groove, internal chamfer, taper angle, and internal ladder can be done. UIG 200 may allocate 2 spindles at small hole, end face, or external diameter to set the grinding time at once. Transmission data of machine series. IG 150NC. The X-axis is NC digital driven. The Z-axis is hydraulic driven. OIG 150. The X-axis and Z-axis are both CNC controller driven. UIG 200. The X-axis, Y-axis, and Z-axis are CNC controller driven. Grinding samples, workpieces. CNC vertical composite grinder. Efficiency and precision combined in a multi-purpose machine that simultaneously completes the internal diameter, external diameter, and end face grinding. The grinding precision is greatly enhanced at reduced investment costs. The honeycomb-type machine structure ensures the best rigidity and stability. The work spindle is a double-column ball bearing that comes in contact with the machine root angle to ensure stability, low noise level, and high precision. The X-axis and Y-axis are equipped with a cross-type roller railway that tolerates weights and possesses excellent capabilities. The close-loop control is facilitated by an optical meter. It possesses high positioning precision. The CNC controller is equipped with a PC base that is user-friendly. It is easy to operate and greatly enhances work efficiency. The wheel spindle includes ceramic slanted ball bearing. The radial and axial load capabilities are excellent. It produces low heat under high-speed operation and has good durability. The built-in motor driver spindle operates at high speeds. The internal design of water loop reduces the heat dissipated by the motor under high-speed operation and allows the spindle to operate more stably and smoothly. Advantages of the machine. It is not subject to the problem of workpiece and fixture deadloads that cause vibrations and shifts that affect precision. Irregularly shaped workpieces are easy to clamp and hold. Internal diameter, external diameter, and end face grinding engineering can be completed without having to unload the workpiece. It ensures internal-external diameter concentricity of the workpiece and the square trowel of the end face. The composite grinder reduces the space the machine occupies and cuts down investment costs. Applications of grinding. Processing of machine components, automobile and motorbike parts, gears, textile machine components, household appliances, etc. CNC cylindrical grinder. The machine structure is designed based on the principle of human factors engineering. It operates with proficiency, efficiency, and high precision, and is easy to operate. High rigidity machine structure. The machine, made of high-grade mechanite cast iron, undergoes burn treatment and aging treatment before processing to ensure machine stability when in motion. The hydrostatic bearing is adopted for the wheel spindle. There is no friction between the two metals. A special static bearing is adopted by the wheel spindle to enhance rigidity and excellent anti-shock functions. Static lubrication system. The work table and wheel slider are equipped with an automatic static lubrication system with advantages such as smooth sliding, precise feed, and high accuracy. Measuring system. Automatic in-process gauge. The gauge directly measures the workpiece during grinding and sends data back to the controller to send out low-speed stop and retract signals. It acutely controls the specification and prevents it from being subject to the effects of the temperature and the wear and tear of the wheel. Gap control gauge prevents collisions caused by human errors and reduces the feeding time. Touch probe gauge measures the base position of the end face and automatically corrects the z-axis coordinates. Grinding samples, workpieces. 2040 NC with loading and unloading system. The fixed type tipped work center and the hydraulic tailstock are used to create a clamp. The pneumatic special automatic loading and unloading system designed for drill workpieces saves load and unload time. An operator may operate on 4 machines at a time. It is both time-saving and convenient to achieve the maximum efficiency. 4260 NC with internal grinding attachment. The internal grinding attachment is installed on the cylindrical grinder to allow the external diameter and the internal hole of the workpiece to be ground at once and make sure the concentricity. One machine to do 2 functions. GU32 150 NC. Apply the roller shaft workpiece or ball screw for grinding use. Control the specifications during processing and monitor the concentricity so that it is within the best range. OCD 3260 CAM. Convert the processing program of the special shaped punches through CAD/CAM. Using a high-speed CNC controller, send the data back during processing to perform precise grinding and achieve the best grinding results. OCD 3260. The mold designed for the solar fan is used to process the inside grove. To perform this type of grinding, a special mold is especially designed to clamp the workpiece. The diamond roller dressing device includes a cooling type built-in high-speed spindle so that in the high-speed dressing wheel, the rigidity of the spindle will not be subject to deformation when heated, demonstrating its highly stable performance. OCD 2040 Rubber Wheel. The grinding wheel is used in grinding groove surfaces of rubber rollers. A special forming technique is applied in special grinding. CNC centerless grinder. Conceptualized by innovative designing, the high-performance centerless grinder has a competitive edge in the market and is the best choice for customers. The CNC controller is applied in 1-to-9 axes through Fanuc servo control system. The FCL 18 3+1 used an in-feed type grinding, auto-loading and unloading attachment for multi-step shaft profile grinding. One-step grinding procedures are performed in addition to the single-sided double-clamp automatic loading and unloading attachment that saves time and labor during processing. An operator may operate on multiple machine units at the same time to maximize efficiency. The regulating wheel is AC servo motor driven. The grinding wheel workhead and regulating wheel workhead are equipped with automatic lubrication systems. The FCL 2412-3 with through-feed type grinding automatic vibratory feeder. 3-axis servo motor controlled and equipped with the programmable logic controller PLC from Siemens, it has a user-friendly operation interface. It is applied in small needle bearings. It also can choose automatic measuring system. Then the grinding wheel with auto dressing and compensation functions. The lower slide on the dresser of grinding wheel takes on a concave downward dovetail grove design. It also has an extra large slide surface that greatly enhances stability of the dresser. FCL 23+1 with in-feed type grinding, single-sided double clamp, automatic loading and unloading attachment. 3-axis servo motor control. It is applied in the gear shaft of door switches. Productivity and safety during processing are enhanced through automated operations at reduced labor costs. Centerless grinder. The GC5020 is used in large needle bearing with through-feed type grinding and takes on the same design style as the CNC centerless grinder. The lower slide is a 1v1 flat rail that undergoes high rigidity and stability designing structure. It's different to other competitors. It has a light and compact structural makeup to ensure precision. The microfeed installation has a minimum feed capacity of 0.001 millimeters to meet different workpiece requirements. The PC12S NC with through-feed type grinding automatic vibratory feeder. Grinding the neck of screw are applied automatically to save time and labor during processing and maximize efficiency.